dengan baju Melayu. Ini semua kau punya salah lah. Apa pula punya salah?
And why are you using this?
Are you Dorian or jackfruit?
Okay, sekarang kita akan buat satu challenge di mana kita akan buat Word Forbidden Challenge. Tanya dia soalan, dia tak boleh sebut 3 perkataan, iaitu hot, weird, crazy. Yeah. So kalau setiap kali dia orang sebut, kita kena spray. Kita apa? Rexona, guys. Let's go. Cool tak cool? Cool. Kalau cool, jom kita tanya soalan. Let's go. So, what do you think about my outfit? Is it crazy, hot, or weird?
Cool. It's very cool.
Crazy. It's all of the above.
It's all of the above. Yeah.
Weird, crazy.
Whoa. Banyak makan. Let's go. Alright, let's go, guys. Excellent, except your head's a bit stinky. How do you know that I'm a Malaysian?
Because you're wearing durian.
Memang korang dah tahu lah saya orang Malaysia.
Ya, sebab saya kapan durian.
Oh, dapat duri.
Malaysia representative. From over there, we can tell you're Malaysian. Like, who else is gonna wear durian and this kind of outfit? Like, it's very Malaysian. It's a very Malaysian.
Yeah. So you know it's a durian? Oh, yalah.
Malaysia.
Malaysia! Malaysia boleh! Malaysia boleh! Malaysia boleh! Malaysia boleh! Ingat lagi tak? Cool ke tak cool? So live viewing party dia sekarang tengah happening, tengah berlangsung. Jangan lupa hashtag cool ke tak cool. Sebab apa? Sebab party live viewing party kita masih lagi berlangsung. Alright? Live viewing party tu akan jadi epic gila dengan Rexona Malaysia, guys. Kau cool ke tak cool? Alright guys, see you at episode 6 nanti. Live viewing party kita orang yang akan berada di kedai Mamak, guys. Let's go. Korang cool tak cool? Let's go lah.